Good day everyone. Learn how to boost processor speed in Windows 11. So we are going to do a very few simple steps, like 2 or 3 steps, and we are not going to do any overclocking or something. Only these very common settings and steps will make your CPU faster, and if you do it gaming, you do video editing, it will be really helpful for you. So the very first thing here, in the search icon, type control and you will find control panel. And here select from the top right corner, select large icons. Once you do that, select power options. Once you click on that, if you have a gaming or high-end PC, you will have high performance and ultimate performance mode here. By any chance, if you do not see any other option, you can go with the second option, which is mostly the powerful option, higher performance option. And even if you do not see anything else apart from balanced, click on balanced and then click on change settings right there. Once you click on change settings, click on change advanced power settings. And here we will go to the processor power management, and minimum processor state should be 5%, plugged in 5%, and maximum should be 100% on battery, 100% in plugged in. All right. Once you do that, click on apply and OK. And then click on save changes. All right. So this is the very first thing you need to do. The second thing is to disable the startup items on your Windows 11 computer. So do a right click in the start icon, go to Task Manager, and then go to the startup apps and make sure only essential apps are at the startup. You can see I have a lot of applications, but only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applications are at the startup, which is security, sound, graphics, and wallpaper, right? So do not disable anything related to your Wi-Fi or graphics or audio, something. At the startup, only these important things should be enabled. Rest of the things I can use it whenever I want. Let's say I want to use Canva app. So I do not want it at the startup. Whenever I want it, I just have to double click on that and I will be able to use it. Same goes with WhatsApp as well, because these apps runs in the background and uses a lot of resources. So it's always better to, disable these services at the startup. Once you're done, go to the performance tab, see how much CPU is being used, how much memory you have. If you do not have good amount of RAM, you can increase the virtual memory. I'll put a link you can click on this and you can increase the virtual memory, and this will definitely help you. All right. So these are the only things you need to do, and uninstall whatever you have unwanted apps. You can search uninstall and you will find add or remove programs. Look for whatever the app you do not use it, uninstall it. So in this manner, you are freeing up the space, you are putting off the load from your processor as well. All right. So by just doing these 2 things, you need to restart the computer. All right. You can also clear cache and junk from this computer. You can watch this video. And by doing these steps, the performance of a computer will be way better than earlier for sure. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.